So guys, this is quite unexpected. The Model Y has just received some last minute changes according to recent leaks coming out of China, and it might not be what you were hoping for. This is something that we have never seen before in previous sightings and could indicate some complications and complexities in the manufacturing and design process, or this might be completely incorrect, but in either case, let's dive in and take a look. The leaks here that has just recently come up came from a user on X that goes by Yan Cheng, who shared images reportedly from Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory. The photos believed to be pre-production shots reveal a few key design changes that we are going to take a look at. The rear taillight now features the confirmed light bar, however it looks significantly thinner than earlier leaks suggested. Then the front headlights appear to be thinner, longer, and more angular, featuring vertical white daytime running lights. This contrasts with earlier sightings in Europe where the headlights were more rectangular and sat just beneath the front light bar. Yan Chang, however, did not specify the original source, only referencing to the person, but the watermark suggests that a publication called T-Prex TV, but any additional details still remain unclear. Now furthermore, what's interesting about this one is, unlike prior leaks, most of the Tesla community thinks this is anything but. Between these two photos, there is nothing to indicate that this is from the Model Y Juniper, and aside from Yan Chang saying so, everything just seems quite off and extremely different than what we have previously seen. In this image, the tail light bar is much thinner and looks completely offset compared to what we had seen in the original employee leak. This shows a direct LED strip rather than just a simple plain ambient light hue that shines down from the top lip. Then for the headlights itself, it doesn't look like something you typically see on a Tesla. It's much too long and oddly shaped, and it contains too much components on the inside and further complicates the overall design. According to Dominic Brinkman, who is known for all the amazing Model Y renders lately, he believes that this could just be a fake, as he doesn't think that the rear light is accurate and is different from everything we have seen so far. So either it's a fake leak or there is a last minute design change that no one is aware of, and this is way too far off from previous leaks and too close to typical third-party light bars that are on the available third-party markets. So in the end, although this may be a plausible case coming directly from Tesla enthusiast Yan Cheng directly from China, this doesn't mean that this isn't going to happen. However, it is still very unlikely, being that we are so near to the final announcement and this last minute change isn't the very best change that all of us were hoping for. However, on a more solid note, a user on X that goes by Zong Wen has recently updated us with what is going on inside of the factory and when we can officially expect the announcement. According to Market News China, Tesla's Shanghai factory is prepping up production parts in anticipation for Juniper refresh to launch. Unlike the Model 3, they have decided to share the production line between the old Model Y and the new Model Y, making it a more streamlined, seamless switch without lowering production numbers or causing any additional delays. It is expected that the proportion of the new Model Y is going to be lower at launch, but it will slowly ramp up to overtake the older Model Y over the coming weeks, all of which has been confirmed that the new Model Y will go on sale in early January 2025. So with both of these news just surfacing a few hours ago, it is a really good indicator that news is starting to heat up again with the Model Y Juniper, and we should be expecting an announcement any day now, if not early December. Mid-December, late December, we are definitely going to be hearing about it in early January. This is around the same time that most of their early products get revealed anyways, but with the Model 3 Highland, this is where we were getting the same date for the Model Y, and this is why the majority of us were expecting closer to mid-December. That is still the date we are set on, so we're just looking towards this time, but I am curious to hear what your guys' thoughts are on all of this change, this last minute update. Is this due to the complications and complexity that's going on with this LED light bar, or is there something else behind the scene? Who really knows? I think that this is just all fake. These images could have come up from anywhere, and I have a few in mind that have the same type of headlight design as well as the rear LED strip. So this is nothing concrete and nothing you guys have to really worry about. I am just updating you with some of the news that have just dropped earlier today and any news coming out regarding the Model Y in the next coming weeks. Overall, I would say this is really great news, although I was hoping that they do drop the announcement in early December. We can place our orders and take delivery just before Christmas, just in time as a gift. But in either case, if it doesn't work out that way, a gift for the early new year is also wonderful as well. However, if they do announce it in early January, this will be perfect timing for me as I will be headed out for a short vacation in the next week. Although I will be keeping up to date on everything and still continuously publishing videos on any new updates that do come out regarding the Model Y Juniper and anything else related to Tesla. So make sure you guys stick around, show support to the channel, hit the subscribe, that bell notification, and follow me on X. I don't have many followers over there. I don't have many people chatting with me. It's pretty lonely, so hit me up over there. And as well, chat with me, DM me anytime, and I will try to respond as quickly as possible. Anyways, this should be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is John once again. Peace out.